Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this Melody SUSIE 8+1 gel polish kit. This kit is supposed to come with one top coat and 8 different colors. This set is called Nude Revolution, so I'm just going to show you guys all the colors that are included in this set. First up, we have G301, which is a glitter gel polish. It's kind of like a pinkish purple glitter polish with flecks of silver and blue in there. Then we've got G141, which is a copper or kind of rose gold glitter polish, and I'm actually going to be using this one in the manicure that is in the rest of this video. The next one is 994, and this is kind of like a bright pink, kind of peachy undertone color. The next one is 370 in this set, and this is like a true bubblegum pink. I think this would be gorgeous on deeper skin tones. The next one is 172, and this is sort of like a reddish, orangey kind of color. It almost reminds me of like a pastel brick color. The next one is 149, and this is like a bright, almost neon or creamsicle orange. The next one is a true nude, so this is number 129, and it is kind of like a taupe or brown color. I'm going to be using that one in the manicure later as well, along with this last color, which is 104, and it's like a muted light orange color. So this is just a quick swatch of all the colors on a piece of paper that I had lying around, just so you could see what they all look like. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab the nude, the copper glitter, and then the 104 orange and create a look for you guys today. So I am just gonna start off with some clean nails. I removed my old gel polish and push back my cuticles and trim them. This kit doesn't come with a base coat, so I'm just using this Sally Hansen gel base coat and quickly applying it to my nails before we get started. I've just gone ahead and cured my base coat for 60 seconds, and now we're gonna get started with the Melody SUSIE polishes. So the first color I have here is 129, which is that taupe or brown color, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint 4 out of the 5 fingers, because on the ring finger we are going to do something different. My first impression of this nail polish is that it applies very smoothly and there's no stickiness or lumpiness to this nail polish. I did not have to shake the bottles aggressively or anything to get them to this consistency. I basically just rolled them in between my hands for about 5 to 10 seconds, and this is what the consistency looks like. I do really like this color because it's not extremely opaque, and so I know that 2 coats of this color is going to do the job. So far everything is looking great. I do notice one thing when painting my index finger, and that is that once I was done painting, you'll see here in a moment, I noticed a thin sort of streak running through my nail. I don't know if it was just the way I had painted it on earlier, or if it was the polish, but going over it seemed to fix the job. So as you can see right there on the last stroke, it kind of just left a weird line towards the left-hand side of my nail. And so I just had to go back in and fix it with the brush. So this 8+1 kit is available on Amazon, and it's also available on the Melody SUSIE website. The kit, along with their website and the Amazon link, are all going to be posted down in the description box, so you can order it from wherever you think is more convenient for you. Sorry, my camera was a little out of focus during this part, but it's going to be right back in focus in just a second. So there we go. This is what the 4 out of the 5 nails look like with just a first coat of the color 129. And then I'm going to use this lighter orange color on my ring finger just to show you guys a lighter color in this collection. As you can see, this one's a little bit more opaque, and so there's a chance that you may need 3 coats of this color if you want it to be a really solid finish. But I am going to be layering some glitter on top of this color, so I may not need the 3 coats. I think the 2 coats might be okay for me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. And this is the final result from round 1. As you can see, they were really glossy, had a really nice finish. I'm gonna quickly apply the second coat here and just speed it up because we're doing the exact same color and the exact same thing. But I did just want to do a slow down version of my ring finger just so you guys could see the opacity for the light orange color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that second coat. And as you can see, actually the orange is a lot less opaque than the first time around. So I've decided to use this copper or rose gold glitter on top of the orange. And the first time I laid down the glitter, I didn't get a lot of glitter, so I actually scraped some glitter from the side of the bottle and just applied it to my nail over top. I didn't cure or anything in between. I just kept adding glitter on and kind of moved it around so that it was evenly spaced out and how I wanted it. And then once I was happy with where all the glitter was sitting, I then cured my nails. Okay, so the last step is applying the top coat. Again, it's just the exact same thing. So I just sped through the 4 nails, but I am gonna show you guys just in case you're wondering how to apply top coat. I just showed you here on my ring finger slowly. But I basically coat the entire nail and then I cap the free edge to just seal everything in so that no chipping happens later on. If you want an in-depth tutorial of how to get gel nails that last 4 weeks or longer, I have another video on my channel where I show you how to seal the free edge and also how to build up some polish towards the end of your nails so that they don't chip. But anyways, this is the finished result. I actually really like these gel polishes, and this whole set with all these colors is going to be linked down in the description box below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't seen my other videos, then go ahead and check out my channel. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!